अरे यार, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, साइन कॉस टैन, ये क्या एलियन लैंग्वेज है। ग्रेड 10 में ऑलरेडी बोर्ड एग्जाम का टेंशन है और ये हाइपोटेन्यूस मॉन्स्टर, ऑपोजिट क्या एडजेसेंट क्या, मैं तो फेड अप हो गई।
See, Purvi, this trigonometry we can say it is the simplest of all the parts of mathematics. In maths, total we have 4 to 5 parts are there. Like one is arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, statistics, and geometry. Out of that, trigonometry is the easiest one. I don't know why people like you find it difficult. After my explanation, it will be very easier for you. Clear?
Clear?
Sure?
Let's try.
So let's continue.
ठीक है।
So in total we have 7 types. So type 1 will start now. So type 1 will be like. So before starting you have to do one thing. You have to just mug up some values. Like in total we have to remember out 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so in your syllabus you have to study only about these some 5 types of specific angles. If you go to class 11th and 12th, even much more is there. So you are lucky that you have only these 5 angles. Don't worry, I will give you the trick how to remember the values. So let's continue with type 1 question. So type 1 question says like find the value of 3 cot square 60 degree plus 6 square 45 degree. Now what is this cot square 60 degree? How to find this? So it is nothing but it is actually 3 cot 60 degree whole square. This is how we write this one.
Okay.
Here plus again 6 square 45, we can write this as 645 degree whole square. Just put the value now and simplify. So what is cot 60 degree? Any idea?
I think it's 1.
No. Actually cos 60 degree value is 1 by root 3.
Oh.
Now square, so do square for 1 by root. Okay?
Okay.
Plus sec 45 is how much?
I think it's 2 root by 1.
No, it is root 2. So root 2 whole square.
Okay.
Now just simplify this. So it's 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square becomes 1 by 3 plus root 2 whole square is 2. Here?
Yes.
Now 3 into 1 by 3, so 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So this is 1 plus 2, which comes down to 3. See, so simple it is. Understood?
Yes.
Sure? No doubt?
No doubt.
Now type 2 questions. It's about verification. We have to verify sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay? Now what is this verification? So whenever we get any question of verification, verify or show that, we have to prove something LHS, this we call as left hand side and the right hand side.
Okay.
You have to make left hand side equal to right hand side. Clear?
Okay.
So let's start with left hand side first. So right here LHS, that is left hand side, equals to, it is sine of 2 theta. So sine 2. So what is theta here?
30 degree.
So right here in place of theta I will write here 30. That is sine 2 into 30 is how much?
60.
So sine 60. What is sine 60 degree?
1 by root 2.
No, it's actually root 3 by 2. Okay? So left hand side becomes how much? This value is
3 root by 2.
root 3 by 2. Okay? Now we'll check the value for right hand side. Now right hand side is how much? 2 sine theta into cos theta.
Yes.
That is 2 into sine. What is theta value?
30 degree.
Correct. So 2 into sine into 30 degree into again cos
30 degree.
30 degree. Very good. Now 2 sine 30 is how much?
1 by root 2.
1 by 2. Okay. Into cos 30 degree how much? It is
3 root by 2.
no root 3 by 2. Don't worry. I will give you a simple trick how to memorize all these values.
Okay.
Okay. So this won't be a problem for you from next time. Now just simplify this. 2 gets cancelled. So my right hand side comes down to root 3 by 2. What was RHS? Root 3 by 2. What is RHS? Root 3 by 2. So I can write here, since my left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence it is verified. Clear?
Got it. Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Let's move on to type 3 question. Okay? They have given here sine of a plus b. It is given as 1.
Okay.
And cos of a minus b is also given as 1. You have to solve this. So solving is what? What do you understand from the word solve? If you say anywhere?
To get the proper equation or the proper result.
No. Solving is finding the value of unknown. Anywhere if you see the word solve, means you would find the value of unknown.
Okay.
So what is the unknown here?
A plus B.
No. A and B. A and B is the
Unknown.
unknown. So you have to find the value of A and
B.
B. Okay?
Yes.
Let's start with this one first. Make 2 columns. This side is sine of A plus B. It is given as 1. Now this side we have sine some angle. This is nothing but some angle. This side we have a number. So we have to write this right hand side also in terms of sine, because left hand side is in terms of sine. Okay?
Okay.
Now sine of A plus B is equals to sine how much is 1?
90 degree.
Correct. So sine 90 is 1. Now, so this side sine was there.
Yes.
So we wrote this right hand side in terms of sine.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can't cancel this sine and sine.
Why?
Why? Because simply if it is written as sine, so sine has no meaning unless some angle is there. It can be sine 30, it can be sine of x, anything. But simply it can't be just sine or just cos or just tan, anything. Sure?
Yes,
So only we can't cancel sine. Now let's equate this now. So here a plus b is there with sine,
Yes.
and here 90 is there. So I can write this as a plus b equals to 90 degree. That is first equation. Okay?
Got it.
Now move on to this side. So this side cos and here 1 is there. So what we will do now?
We will convert the 1, we will write it in the cos form.
Don't convert. We say we write 1 in terms of cos.
Okay.
Okay? So cos A minus B equals to cos of something. So cos how much is 1?
0 degree.
Correct. So cos 0 degree becomes 1. Now again equate the values. We can't cancel cos and cos.
Yes.
So just write here A minus B equals to 0 degree. This is equation number
2.
2. Now we have to solve this equation 1 and equation 2. That is algebra will come into effect here. So there are 2 ways. Either you can use elimination method or substitution method. So better it will be if you use elimination. So write here A plus B equals to how much? 90 degree, equation 1.
Yes.
And A minus B equals to how much? 0 degree. Just add them. So if we add them, plus b and minus b gets cancelled. So a plus a is
2a.
2a equals to 90 plus 0 is
90 degree.
90. So here 2a means 2 into a. So a equals to how much? This will go this side, transposition.
Yes.
So multiplication becomes
Division.
division, correct. So 90 by 2 comes down to
45.
45 degree. Very good. Now we have to find the value of a we got.
Yes.
What do you have to find now?
B.
Correct. So put a value in any of the equation. Let's put it over here in this one. So a is how much? A is 45.
5.
45 minus b equals to 0 degree. So b will be equal to how much?
45.
B is also equals to 45 degree. Clear?
Got it.
See, so simple it is. Let's move on to type
4.
4. Would you like to try this sum?
Yes.
So it's given as tan x plus 30 degree. It is given as 1. You have to solve it. Means what you have to do here?
You're supposed to put tan 1 ka value.
No. What you have to do here? Solving means finding the value of unknown.
Okay.
What's unknown here?
X.
Correct. Very good. Try this sum.
Okay. So we see tan x plus 30 degree is equals to tan 1, you get tan 45 degree.
Perfect.
So both the side tans are here. So we'll just write it as x plus 30 degree is equals to 45.
Yes.
So x is equals to 45 degree minus 30 degree, which is x is equals to 15 degree.
So do you still find this difficult?
I used to, but not now.
Very good. So don't worry, I will make it even more easier.
Okay.
So let's move on to type 5. It's given as if sine of a plus b equals to sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b. Okay? So we have to find the value of sine 75 degree. Now, till now we are knowing only the values of sine 30, sine 0, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Then how to find this sine 75? So we will use this equation to find the value of sine 75. We can write this 75 as 45 plus 30, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you compare this one, now is in place of a, can I say a equals to 45 degree?
Yes.
And can we say b equals to 30 degree?
Yes, sir.
Now, as it is given as sine a plus b equals to sine a into cos b plus cos a into
Sine
B. So I will replace here also a with 45 degree and b with how much?
30 degree.
Perfect. So let's do it now. So this is sine of a, that is 45 degree. Then into cos of how much?
30 degree.
Correct. After this plus, so put plus here. Cos of a, that is cos of a is how much?
45 degree.
Correct. So a is 45 degree into sine of b. So b is how much?
30 degree.
Very good. Now let's put the values. So sine 45 degree is how much?
1 by root 2.
Correct. So 1 by, we just have to put the values now and simplify.
Okay.
So sine 45 is 1 by root 2
Yes.
into cos 30 is how much?
3 root by 2.
Wrong. It's root 3 by 2. Don't worry, I will give you a trick how to mug up this all. Plus cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degree.
1 by 2.
Correct. Now this comes down to root 3 into 1 is root 3 and 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2
Yes, sir.
plus now 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 into root 2 is this also is 2 root 2.
2.
Now this both have same denominator.
Yes, sir.
So just write this as the denominator becomes 2 root 2 and the numerator is root 3 plus
1.
1. So this is my value of sine 75 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it.
Now moving on to type 6. Okay. 2 more types and this chapter will be done. You will never find any difficulty in this chapter hereafter.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Root 2 into sine 60 degree minus alpha is written as 1. We have to find the value of what's unknown here?
Alpha.
Correct. To find the value of alpha. Okay. Now in the previous question we had here sine something equals to here some number was there. Right?
Yes,
Like
sir.
it was sine of a plus b is equal to like 1 it was
Yes.
before sign nothing was there.
Nothing.
But here we have before sign some number is there. So see how to do this one. So what we will do here is it's root 2 into something.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you do transposition, this root 2 will go this side. So multiplication becomes
Division.
correct. So I can write here sine of 60 degree minus alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. Correct. Now again same thing. This side we have sine and this side number.
Yes.
So what I will do here?
We will convert into 30 degree because sine 1 by root 2 is 30 degree.
Not convert. I will write this number in terms of sine.
Okay.
Don't say convert. The actual correct word is I will write this number in terms of sine.
Okay.
Okay. If here cos in terms of cos, if tan in terms of tan, if cot in terms of
Got it.
cot. Very good. Chalo. So we can write this as sine of 60 degree minus alpha equals to. Now sine how much is 1 by root 2? It is sine 45 degree. So this side also sine and this side also
Sine.
So I can write this. I will not cancel this sine. So just write here 60 degree minus alpha equals to 45 degree. So alpha will be how much? 60 degree minus 45 degree. So our alpha comes down to alpha is equal to 15 degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. We have now one more type. Type 7. After that, this chapter will never be difficult for you. So now we have type 7. That is the last type of this chapter. As per your syllabus.
Yes, sir.
X into tan 45 degree into cos 60 degree sin 60 degree into cot 60 degree. Okay. So you have to find the value of x here. So what you will do here? Any idea?
I don't know. We will change tan into cos and sine.
No, just simply put the values of this. You know tan 45, you know cos 60, you know sin 60, you know cot 60. Just put the values. So right here, x, what is tan 45?
1.
Correct. X into 1. What is cos 60?
1 by 2.
Perfect. 1 by 2. equals to, what is sine 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Yes, I think the trick is working. Cos 60 is how much?
1 by root 3.
Correct. So into 1 by root 3. Let's check it once. X tan 45 is 1. Okay. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Cos 60 is 1 by root 3. Okay. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now just simplify this. 1 into 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 2, that is x by
2.
2 equals to, here this root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled, to 1 equals to how much? 1 by
2.
2. Now we can write cancel this 2 and 2.
Yes, sir.
So x comes to be, x equals to
1.
1. Now trigonometry is done, complete. You don't get any doubt or any difficulty in this chapter hereafter. Clear?
Got it.
Pakka?
Yes,
Perfect?
sir. Yes,
Confident? So Purvi, tell me, still you find this topic difficult?
No, sir, it's not that hard as I imagined. It's way much easier after the class.
So can you solve any question of this chapter?
I think I can.
Sure, very good. Wow.
Wow, guys, after this class, trigonometry feels so easy. What once felt confusing is super clear now. Sine, cos, tan, everything makes sense. If you really want to understand math instead of just memorizing formulas, I highly recommend you to subscribe this channel. Here, maths and science are explained in such a simple and practical way that it actually helps us write in exams confidently and score better marks. Many more maths and science videos are coming on this channel, and trust me, they will make your learning easy, fun and stress-free. So, don't forget to subscribe this and share this video with your friends. And keep learning with us. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep shining.